Ever notice the nice place settings at the kitchen table in a model home or display at a furniture store? Well, there's a reason for those displays, and it's called staging. If you want to sell your home quickly and for top dollar, you must consider staging. That being said, staging does not have to cost a fortune. In this video, part 8 of my seller education series, aimed at helping homeowners sell their homes fast and for the best price, I'll walk you through 10 things you can do yourself to get your home staged and ready to welcome buyers. So why is staging so important? Here are some quick facts to answer that question. 47% of buyers' agents cited that home staging had an effect on most buyers' views of the home. 82% of buyer agents said staging a home made it easier for a buyer to visualize a property as a future home. Staging the living room was found to be very important for buyers, 46%, followed by staging the master bedroom, 43%, and staging the kitchen, 35%. By the way, I wanted you to know that I provide all my clients who sell their home with me a free consultation with a professional staging company. They'll come to your home and give you great personalized advice on how to stage your home and get it ready for buyers. Okay, let's get those 10 tips for do-it-yourself home staging. Tip number 1, declutter and depersonalize. Decluttering might be the most important step. Plan to pack, throw away, or donate everything you do not need before your move. This includes items inside closets, cabinets, and the garage. Clear off your kitchen counters, desks, and other surfaces to make your home look larger and more polished. In addition to decluttering your home, you also need to depersonalize. You want potential buyers to visualize themselves in your home, and it's hard to do that with a portrait of your great Aunt Gertie staring down from them on the mantle. Take time to go through each room carefully with an eye to make everything more neutral, open, and inviting. If you are having trouble, invite a friend over and help point out items that might need to go. Tip number 2, clean. Did I say decluttering was the most important step? It might actually be a toss-up between decluttering and cleaning. They are both musts when preparing your home for sale. You need to clean your house top to bottom, inside and out. This includes shampooing carpets, cleaning grout, scrubbing cabinets, dusting light fixtures, washing windows, and even power washing the home's exterior. Assume that buyers will see every inch of your home. A clean home signals to potential buyers that your home is cared for and well maintained. Tip number 3, pass the sniff test. The way a house smells can have a notable impact on how potential buyers perceive it. You must get rid of all unpleasant smells like mold, mildew, pets, particularly pungent food. You may also consider adding a pleasant but subtle smell to your home for showings. You could boil cinnamon sticks, bake cookies, or add a diffuser with a popular essential oil like lavender, sage, or eucalyptus. Note that we do not want the smell of your home to be overwhelming. Put your can of air freshener down. A light, pleasant aroma is all you need. Tip number 4, light it up. Your home should feel light, bright, and cheerful when prospective buyers arrive. Ensure all window coverings are clean and in good working order. Then open them up and let the sunshine in. Also, if you have mismatched or burnt out light bulbs in your home, replace them. If you have any rooms that are particularly dark, consider adding a lamp or other lighting. Also, remember to turn all your lights on in the home before each showing. Tip number 5, paint. If your home is already painted in light neutral colors, you may be able to skip this step. However, if your walls and baseboards are looking a bit dingy, or if you have an affinity for dark paint, you may need to roll up your sleeves and do some painting. As with everything else we have mentioned, light, bright, and minimal is the way to go. If you have any dents or marks on the walls, consider touching them up with some spackle and paint prior to listing your home. This shows buyers that the home is well maintained and cared for. Tip number 6, plants and flowers. Now that you have done all this work to declutter, depersonalize, and clean, we want to bring some life back into your home. Consider adding a vase of fresh cut flowers, a small potted plant, a bowl of fresh fruit in the kitchen. You also need to invest some time and energy into your landscaping. Trim trees and shrubs, blow out gravel, and mow the lawn. You want the exterior of your home to look as manicured and inviting as the inside. Your home only has one chance to make a first impression with potential buyers. Let's make it a good one. Tip number 7, promote flow. Think about the flow and functionality of your home carefully. It's important that potential buyers understand the purpose of each room and can visualize their own furniture in the space. Remove any pieces of furniture that make the space feel crowded, cramped, or do not suit the purpose of the room. Make the space feel as open as possible and arrange furniture in a way that makes it easy to navigate the home. Tip number 8, set the table. Have you ever noticed that when you visit a model home, the table is set? It is as if they are about to serve a gourmet dinner. Setting your table can be a great way to make the space warm, inviting, and visually interesting to potential buyers. If your home is already quite neutral, you can use napkins or other small decorative elements like candles, centerpieces, or napkin rings to bring a splash of trendy color into the mix. Tip number 9, attractive linens. Much like setting the table, putting out fresh, clean linens in your bedrooms and bathrooms can give your home a resort-like look and feel. Remember, these linens need to stay show-ready. Plan to use alternate towels for your day-to-day needs or increase your laundry frequency. White bedding and towels are always a great option if you aren't sure what will look best in your space. Tip number 10, minor repairs. It's time to tack that honey-do list. Any minor repairs that you've been putting off or ignoring need to be resolved before you list your home for sale. A leaky faucet or sticky door sends a message to potential buyers that the home is not well cared for. It may also leave them wondering what else is wrong with the house. Take a weekend to tackle these projects with care and precision. You won't regret it. I know it can be overwhelming getting your house ready to list. Remember, you do not have to do it alone. I'm here to guide you and assist you every step of the way. Remember, as I stated earlier, I provide all my clients who sell their homes with me a free consultation with a professional staging company to come to your home and give you great personalized advice on how to stage your home and get it ready for buyers. For your convenience, I've included a PDF version of this information in the video description that you can download. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.